Right. So let's say we are doing an internet marketing product here, right? So most people in our industry follow specific personal brands, or maybe they come up for a generic marketing topic, right? Internet marketing does come up as an interest in Facebook, but that's also the broadest of the broad when it comes to your interests, right? Now, most people, when they run their ads, they'll just start plugging in a bunch of interests, that seems to be most relevant to internet marketing. And I'm just going to fire away here because I do this so often. You could be like Perry Belcher, Ryan Dice, Frank Kern, Mike Filsame, Andy Jenkins. And these are interests, but they're people's names. So what does that mean? Well, I'm not Ryan Dice, and I'm not promoting a Ryan Dice product. So a lot of these Ryan Dice people may not care what it is I'm promoting. Not always the case, but a large percentage may not care. So you have to consider the audiences that you are punching in here. Now, when you have a offer that's already converting, yeah, you could start firing away everywhere that you want, because now you're just pinpointing those who are interested to your offer. You're just picking them apart. But in the beginning, what I would do, and I suggest this, if you're going to create interest campaigns, whether it's for men, women, 25 and over, 18 and over, you really need to figure out the 5 or 10 interests you really want to target, but don't put them all into one ad. I segment all of my ads by 1 or 2 interests at a time, because if you don't know which interest is generating you the click or the one that's generating you the sale. You start to put 20 interests into one ad set, now you're just sending traffic, but you don't know which interest generated you the traffic.